How to add social media icons to Google Sites tutorial. The first thing you want to do after you're on your Google site, you're going to open a second tab and I want you to go onto elfsite.com. Once on elfsite.com, you're going to hover over widgets in the top left hand corner, and then from there you're going to select social media icons. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. And by the way, to use ElfSite is completely free. From here, you can scroll down and you can select from any one of these templates. You can simply scroll down until you see a template of your liking. Then you're going to tap on continue with this template in the bottom left hand corner. After you have done that, you can tap right where you see the three dots beside each social media link. Then you're going to tap on edit. After tapping on edit, you can add your social media profile right here. So for example, you could put in your Facebook page name right there, then tap on done. And you can continue doing that with Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. And if you would like to add another icon, you could tap on add icon. And then from there, you can search for the social media icon that you would like to add, as you can see right there. There are numerous options that you can choose from. You can also change the appearance or layout by tapping on layout from the left hand menu option. You can change the icon size if you want. You can also change it to floating if you want. And if we were to tap on style, from here you can see the different styles that you can choose from. Now once you're finished, you're going to tap on add to website for free. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you can see how it looks right there. All we'll need to do now, you can tap on view plans in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you're going to select the current plan, which is the free plan, this plan right here. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is tap on the X in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on close in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on install. After tapping on install, I want you to copy the code. After you have copied the code, you're going to go into Google Sites, and from here you're going to tap on embed in the right hand menu option. Then you're going to select embed code and you're going to paste the HTML code that you have copied. Then you're going to tap on next, then tap on insert, and after you have done that, you can see right there your social media icons have now been added, and you can add it to any section that you would want on your Google Sites website. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.